Members of the local media are currently undergoing a 3-day training on strengthening media parliament's collaboration in Honiara. Elisa Kukutu reports.
Members of the local media are currently undergoing training on strengthening media parliament collaboration in Honiara. The 3-day training is supported by the Westminster Foundation for Democracy, aiming to help media practitioners better cover parliamentary proceedings and gain a clearer understanding of the basic functions and processes of Parliament.
And Hemi basically just for helping me for assisting mainstream media for understanding mostly other roles and functions for Parliament, but also for introducing more tool for a new concept of a parliamentary press gallery, where we felt like for introducing 2026. At the same time, we work towards creating a communication strategy for National Parliament, where we hope that by me good for guiding me for side reporting and assisting to other journalists blame me for much more accurate reporting, and also for future liaisons between media and parliamentary communications.
As part of the training, participants had the opportunity to visit the National Parliament.
Day one, him basically just a pretty open schedule day, where we've taken participants go to Parliament just for introducing some different departments apart from just media. So from what me sabe, I go visit him Hansard committees, procedures. Also, just for look around in the house, blame me with a little bit history where you got him Parliament House.
More collaboration between Parliament and the media is expected to result from this training, mainly in improving the accuracy and accessibility of information shared to the public.
Accuracy, dissemination of any information from Parliament or any political body is very important. Sometimes you give him the wrong information, himself causing the wrong reaction too. So for me, follow Parliament, the dissemination of accurate, factual information is very important. People talk about him interests, issues will affect him. So for him, give him the wrong information and someone him wrongly interpret him, I'm creating a very wrong, negative environment, country blame. So the power of information is very important in Parliament. Working with media, I have a big priority for get them to whatever come from the horse's mouth, what you may everyone got some understanding. But you mean democracy, You mean democracy where you can have your say, but it's not any use of having a good say if it's the wrong say.
For SIBC TV, I'm Elisa Kukutu.